Hello, project managers. Preparing for your PMP exam? Let's dive into 10 quick questions to help you pass fast. For best retention, engage with this short video. Listen, watch, read, and note. I'll read each question, the correct answer, and a brief explanation. Ready? Let's go. Question 690. A project team is working on a company restructure that involves team member rotation. There is a concern about how to execute the project within the schedule based on all of the new team members. What should the project manager do? Answer: set up a team alignment session to discuss the remaining work and contract with the team. Explanation: when new members join, the project manager should align the team around remaining work and agree on commitments through a team alignment session, ensuring shared understanding before adjusting the schedule. Question 691. A project manager is implementing a project similar to a previous one that required strict adherence to occupation, health, and safety. Both projects are for the same client whose business environment is highly regulated. However, this time the client does not appear to be concerned about OCHESS requirements. What should the project manager do first? Answer: discuss the OCHESS requirements with the client. Explanation: the project manager must first confirm and clarify the client's OCHESS expectations to ensure regulatory compliance, rather than assuming requirements or unilaterally applying or relaxing them. Question 692. A company wants to show the commercial advantages of a product in a competitive market. They commissioned a project team to create a prototype. The team is building the prototype incrementally. What should the project manager set as a priority? Answer: deliver business value as soon as possible. Explanation: in an incremental prototype effort aimed at demonstrating competitive advantages, the priority is to deliver business value as soon as possible, enabling early feedback and market validation. Question 693. In an agile project, the team is disagreeing about which user story to complete first. One is technically complex and long to complete. The second is a lower priority but easy to complete. What should the project manager do? Answer: work with the product owner to clarify and prioritize the backlog stories. Explanation: the product owner owns backlog prioritization. The project manager should collaborate with the PO to clarify value and order the stories appropriately. Question 694. A large, multinational organization is reevaluating its policy on project management approaches. Team members are complaining about having different processes for each project they are on. Currently, predictive, agile, and hybrid methodologies are being used. A project manager is now part of a team working on standard criteria for approach selection for new projects. What should the project manager recommend? Answer: determine the types of projects, constraints, and resources to initiate standard tailoring. Explanation: establishing standard tailoring criteria based on project type, constraints, and available resources enables the organization to choose the most appropriate methodology for each new project. Question 695. A project manager was suddenly asked to take over an ongoing project without any handover. During the first meeting, the project sponsor raised concerns about whether the project was on track to deliver the intended benefits. What should the new project manager do first? Answer: review the business case to gather information about the project. Explanation: the first step is to review the business case to understand the original justification and intended benefits, providing the necessary context to address the sponsor's concerns. Question 696. The CFO has stated in a conversation with a project team member that they do not believe the project will be a success due to the high cost of implementation. What should the project manager do? Answer: meet with the CFO one-on-one to fully understand their cost concerns. Explanation: engaging the CFO one-on-one to fully understand their cost concerns follows stakeholder engagement best practices, allowing you to address underlying issues before proposing solutions. Question 697. Two project team members are updating the schedule but cannot reach an agreement on when two milestones are due. Each team member believes they are correct based on the documents they have available. What should the project manager do first to finalize the schedule? Answer: ask the team members to send the documents and apply expert judgment to update the schedule. Explanation: The project manager should collect the differing documents and then apply expert judgment to reconcile the dates and update the schedule, ensuring the baseline is based on the most authoritative information. Question 698. An organization is altering their schedule, and the project team is now expected to be in the office together once a week. Despite everyone being dedicated to the project, the team members all follow their functional team schedules, which differ from one another. How should the project manager address this situation? Answer: work with the team to determine if the in-person project day is required. Explanation: the project manager should collaborate with the team to evaluate whether the once-a-week in-person day is truly necessary for delivering project objectives. This engages the team in decision-making and ensures the requirement adds real value. Question 699. An Agile project is in its 9th of 10 iterations. The team is delivering the work as expected. In the planning session, the team identifies a dependency with another project in the organization. What should the Scrum Master do in order to accomplish the iteration goal? Answer: initiate collaboration with the other project team working on the dependency. Explanation: as a servant, leader, the Scrum Master's role is to remove impediments by fostering collaboration. By proactively initiating joint work with the external project team, the Scrum Master ensures the dependency is addressed so the current iteration goal can be met. That's your quick PMP prep. Keep practicing and you'll pass with flying colors. Follow for free training. Thanks for watching.